it's Nazy. Now, for today's video, we are going to be doing this look right here. It's very glowy, glittery, very natural lang with a pop of color. O, diba? Parang makakot ng attention. If you wanna impress an oppa or if you wanna impress someone or you just wanna feel good or confident. Diba? And also, I'll be reviewing some Korean makeups that I got from KMALL. If you guys aren't familiar with KMALL, it's a one-stop shop for authentic Korean goods specializing in cosmetics, food, fashion, and K-pop merchandise. And madalas sale din doon. And halos lahat ng Korean brands meron sila. I have a lot of new Korean makeups in here that I'm so excited to show you. So yeah, let's begin. So first, ginamit ko tong Sun & Pork Beauty Water. Travel size lang siya. Sobrang liit niya lang. And I use this to remove some excess dirt. This can be your toner or your makeup remover. Actually, nakaubos na ako ng isang full size nito. I super love this kasi I have sensitive skin. And this one is very gentle lang on my skin. And sobrang nakaka-addict siyang gamitin kasi it moisturizes, cleanses, and exfoliates. And also, para din ma-boost yung skin mo before ka mag-apply ng skincare. I'm already done with my foundation now. Let's set it with a powder. So, I have the INNISFREE No Sebum Mineral Powder in here. I super love this one. Nag-resta ako whenever I can. Ito yung OG na powder na ginagamit ko. Kasi it really absorbs the excess sebum. So, now let's fill in my brows. I have the ETUDE House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil in dark gray, brown, gray-brown, and black. Use yung dark gray na shade since I have gray hair. It has this triangular shape. Ganito yung mga eyebrow pencils na gusto ko. Kasi super daling gumawa ng strokes. It's really smooth. And meron din siyang kasamang brush. I really like the brow pencil kasi kahit na makapalan mo, once you blend it out, it looks really natural. Na-blurred mo siya, hindi siya pakapal ng pakapal. The WONDOLLY Perfect Skin Founcushion with SPF 50+ with PA+++. This one has a refill. O, diba? Bongga. I have the shade Daisy Light Pink Beige and then Helena Natural Beige. So, very sleek and very elegant yung itsura niya. It has a mirror, perfect for retouch. Hindi ko siya nagamit sa look ko ngayon kasi super light niya on my skin tone since hindi naman ako ganong kaputian. But this is really perfect for my mestiza girls out there. But still, I'm gonna show you yung performance niya on my face. I love that it's not sticky. Hindi tulad ng ibang cushion na when you apply it, hindi siya ganun na nagsiset ka agad. And it really does cover my imperfections, which is a plus. Even yung mga pores ko, talaga natatakpan niya. And yung mga redness ko din. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin, which is kasi hindi talaga ako fan ng mga heavy na base. And it also claims na long-lasting siya. Now, let's proceed with the eyeshadow. I have a lot in here. From powders to cream and glitters. So the first thing that I have in here is the Touch and Soul Double Benefit. It comes with 4 different eyeshadows. Depende kung anong mood mo that day or kung anong event yung pupuntahan mo. I super love the packaging so much. Super tiny niya. And kasyang-kasya to sa small bag mo if you wanna retouch. Bongga, perfecto. I'm so glad that I discovered this. Meron siyang mirror. Comes with this sponge na maliit na applicator. Dalawa yung colors niya. So, isang light and mas darker. It's really amazing. Perfect to sa mga beginners. Hindi mo na kailangan na mag-blend. Basta nasa baba yung lighter shade and then nasa taas yung mas darker. And idadab mo lang siya sa eyelids mo. Hindi mo na kailangan dito ng brush. And this sa preference mo. But to me, okay sa akin to. Especially kapag tinatamad ako. Tinatamad akong mag-blend. Gusto ko ng isahan lang. Parang bang madalian lang. Kasi ang ganda rin ng mga shades niya. Talaga makikita mo na yung mas darker yung sa crease. I am super amazed by this and I highly recommend this. Especially sa mga beginners or sa mga tamad. Shade is the Golden Bronze, which what I'm wearing right now. O, diba? Ang bongga niya. This one is on the orangey tone na, you know, gold. This one is the Glow Coral Brown. Mas darker brown. The next one, we have the Satin Pink Cocoa. More on the rose gold. And lastly, we have the Velvet Marsala Pink. The pinkish side. And then the next one, we have the Touch and Soul Metallist Sparkling Foiled Pigment. I have 4 shades in here and ito yung ginamit ko on the top of my eyeliner. Para lang kakaiba na madagdagan ng something yung eyeliner ko. And sa inner tear duct ko din. As you can see, yung pigmentation niya is thebomb.com. This specific na eyeshadow, I used the Sun Aurora. More on the yellow na meron siyang onting pagka-green. Kahit onti lang makuha ng hands mo, grabe pa rin yung pigment. foil na foil, metallic na metallic siya. Ingat lang kayo sa mga fallouts nito. Kaya katulad nito, ang dami kong fallouts, pero hindi naman siya ganun kahalata. Kasi honey brown naman, gold siya, but it's in the brown shade. Mas bronzy yung color niya. I also have the shade Holo Mulberry. This one naman is more on the purple shade na meron siyang pagka-pinkish. Tapos yung glow niya, mas blue or green. And lastly, we have the Persian Rose. I love this one. This is my favorite out of all the 4 shades that I have in here. More on rose gold siya. Also, we have the Touch and Soul Metallist Liquid Glitter Topper. We have Peony Gold, Mocha Touch, and Khaki Spirit. So, this one has 3 different shades. Tapos, meron siyang complementary na 3 colors. Nakakatuwa kasi, sama-sama silang lahat. Pero, you can pop it out. Pwede na rin din siyang alone. Pwede rin siyang sama-sama lang. So, diba? Ang cute ng packaging. So, is parang mga iridescent yung mga glitters niya. So, halo-halo sila, which is so nice. And lastly, I have the Touch and Soul Killing Me Softly with Eye Holic Shadow. And this one is super nice. Maliit lang din siya. This one also comes with a mirror. And it comes with 4 different colors. Perfect for everyday. If you wanna achieve a very natural look. Or kung gusto mong mas darker or smoky eye, pwedeng-pwede rin. So, and very pigmented siya. Yung mga halo silang shimmers. And it's very creamy. Hindi siya powdery. I really like it. Okay, for my liquid eyeliner, I use the Etude House Oh My line na liquid eyeliner. So, meron ako ditong black and brown. Ang ginamit ko is black, but this one, hindi siya patchy. Talagang pag-a-apply mo, pigmentation is there. Here, I use the INNISFREE Skinny Microcara. Try ko na yung ganito ng INNISFREE before, and perfect to if you wanna achieve that no makeup look. Very natural lang siya. Water resistant din siya, which is very nice. And nakakatuwa yung applicator niya kasi sobrang nipis lang. Talagang malalagyan mo even yung lower lash line mo. And also, I have the Touch and Soul Gel Liner with Diamond Black Gel Eyeliner. Bet ko to, perfect siya kung nagpa-practice ka pa lang mag-liquid eyeliner. Sobrang creamy niya. Ang sarap gamitin. Now, finally, let's now move on with the lippies, my favorite part. So, we have the 3W Clinic Aqua Matte Lipstick. So, I use the shade Mellowed Brown in number 2. Kasi very natural lang siya on my lips. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy on my lips. Sobrang creamy niya lang. Hindi siya tacky and hindi rin siya patchy. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong shade kasi, alam mo yun, perfect pang everyday and very trendy yung color na to. And we also have in the shade number 3, Instant Som, and in number 4, Sugar Rose. Yung number 3, more on the pinkish side siya na very loud. And then si number 4 is more on the coral tone. I also have the Touch and Soul Matte Fit Lip Crayon, number 2 in coral red and number 1 in real red. Sobrang creamy niya, grabe. Isang glide mo pa lang, makikita mo talaga yung pigmentation niya. And si coral red, merong pagka-nude. Ito yung mga trending shades eh. And also, we have the WONDOLLY Velvet Lips. Mas red siya. Darker red. And may naka-engrave dyan na nung logo. Hindi siya red na red. Alam niyo yun? Off lang yung pagka-red niya. And lastly, we have the Peripera Pink Airy Tint. Sobrang excited akong matry ito. So, ito yung mga shades. Ang gaganda ng shades niya. Ito, hindi ako masyadong fan since sobrang bright na pagka-orange niya. But itong last 3 is bet ko. Ito si number 9. Mas neon orange siya. Number 6, coral red. Ganun yung vibe niya. Itong number 4, nude siya na pink. And then si number 2, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Nasa brown siyang tone on the peachy side. And it has a velvet finish. Perfect if you wanna achieve that gradient or soft blur lift effect. Sobrang bango and grabe yung pigmentation. So, hindi ako binigo ng Peripera. O, diba? Meron siyang stain na may iwan. So, after a long day, may stain na may iwan dyan. And I think that's pretty much it. Really enjoyed trying these products out. I got all of these items from KMALL. You can check them out at kmall.ph. They have a lot of items to choose from: cosmetics, skincare, fashion, food, and K-pop merchandise. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video and nagustuhan nyo tong look na I came up with. If you wanna impress your oppa or someone, if you wanna feel good or you just wanna feel confident lang. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts at @NoseRainGots. And yup, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Bye guys!